Fuck, that guy's plane's up.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I got a green, I can hear a truck coming. Is that you?
Yeah.
Surprise,
There's
surprise.
a guy just on the other side of this big rock here.
Guy that was just coming to kill me just got killed.
Yeah, that guy. There he is. Yeah, look, I'll reverse it up.
And I've got a guy on with a shield up here trying to do a sneaky on me.
Yeah, you just mark him. Oh, we got
Boom,
him.
you're dead, motherfucker. That's 5 kills already. Bleeding the fucking guy that's coming to get me into the bounty. Oh, now he's coming back with a fucking sniper rifle.
Got that cunt.
There's a whole lot of unhappy campers after me, mate.
Let me come and render some assistance.
Ah, that guy just meat bombed himself.
Truck's fucked.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Whee! Got fire, mate. Your shield didn't work, did it, bro?
Nice. Send that recon.
UAV entering the AO.
He tried to do the old pin up with a shield and I was just running around them and fucking shooting them on the side. With fire bullets. That would have been fucking really annoying. You should forget it, bro.
Here.
Don't
Moving up
come
there.
back.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Oh, he's coming back again, is he?
Yeah, now.
Dude, you suck. You suck, bro. Why do you even try? You suck.
I got another UAV here. I'll pop that in a second.
Anybody need this?
That guy hasn't moved on this mark. I think he might be
Moving up.
AFK.
Whereabouts on the...
Orange
Hostile
mark.
dropping
Orange
into
mark.
the area. Watch the skies.
Dude, just give up. You suck.
To actual
Be
requesting
advised,
flyover.
UAV is bingo. UAV
Man,
entering the
Seriously, you suck.
I'm not getting any action here. What the fuck? I'll have to move.
He's just coming back out time and time again and just dying. He's just like fucking stupid. He's coming back again. Honestly, dude, you're not gonna win.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
I got him.
Honestly, dumb as shit. I'm moving off the roof. That'll confuse you because you come back and I won't be there.
Mark an LZ for pickup. Enemy UAV overhead.
Strike cords uploaded.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Come back and where they gone?
Hostile
There he
dropping
is.
into the area. Watch the skies.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Dude, you suck.
UAV up.
Ground to actual requesting
He's gone
flyover.
upstairs.
UAV entering the AO.
Dude, you're useless. Give it up. Seriously,
You're breaking
dude.
his heart, brother.
I'm gonna get rid of the cash.
I got a balloon here. Oh, actually, I got 300k. Well, you've been killing. I've just been fucking picking up money.
Loot.
Here he
Enemy
comes.
soldier incoming.
Back inside with you.
Loot.
Down the bottom he went. Got him.
Oh, fucking hell, I just come out. I got a balloon. You want to get rid of some money?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I got, well,
Be advised, UAV
He'll
is
be
bingo
back.
fuel.
Right.
RTB for
Oh,
resupply.
he's just gonna keep coming back. He's a fucking idiot. I'm out here.
here he comes.
Target spotted.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
He's on the roof now, I think.
I'm taking
Oh,
fire!
got somebody else having a go at us from the left, on the top of the hill.
Probably his girlfriend.
Yep. Oh,
Strike
we got a
cords
money bags
uploaded.
around the corner here.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike away.
Dropping ammo.
Got a balloon, I'll just drop that.
Oh, fuck,
Come
I'm down,
back,
bro.
Come back downstairs. Or over the back.
Yep, coming down. Coming. He's coming.
You'll be right.
away.
I'll fix it.
King's right in front of us here. He's just on there.
Target spotted.
He's coming. He's coming.
I see him.
Fucking dead.
I got some hits on the king. Got him as well.
Target neutralized. Well done.
2 kills.
Enemy launched an advanced UAV.
I'll
We're
let you
exposed.
get that.
Not sure I'm not sure if they were actually working together, but take it. I got a balloon. I'm going to get rid of this cash.
Oh yeah, that's all yours. I'll see that.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Oh,
Yep, onto the...
he's back on the roof.
Downed him.
Dumb cunt. What a fucking dumb cunt.
Is that same guy? That was AK-47.
Probably. Yeah. Same guy. He sucks. He's shit.
Fucking sucks cock, that dude.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
Here he comes. He's on top of my building.
Enemy UAV overhead.
39 meters southwest. 32 meters. We're coming out one of these doors, maybe. Oh, another guy coming around the back. Went in there.
ammo here. High caliber here.
41 meters, 44 meters on the right-hand corner of the building. But I think there's... Oh, yeah, I just got pinged by a sniper. He's up on...
Cords
Oh,
uploaded.
fuck. That was a good shot.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy. Cluster strike
Come back
away.
this way.
No, I can't. He's got me...
Grid marked. Send it.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy.
Let's get you fixed
He's
up.
coming, he's coming. Oh, damn. I died. What a shame. He's in the building in that little hut. Just close the door. Nah, he's in that little tiny thing where I died. He's in there.
Oh, where were they? Fucking AK.
Yeah, behind the door.
Oh, was it? I threw a. Oh, I bounced out. I threw a.
I'm great at holding grudges.
Believe that.
I've got to go back for that.